Lucas. I have loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time to feel this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing each line. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines and here I am, just struggling for words. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time. Pasensya na po. Ayan, nagtratry kam lang. Dito yung mic. Thank you, gayam, dati nang-sponsor dito yung mic ko. At ang regalo. Thank you to my sister by heart. I love you so much, ate. Thank you so much. Ayan, shoutout ko man ni Ate Marisa Butay, Ate Ginaline Rambaud, Ate Chita Tolentino. And of course, especially to Tito Carlos and Tita Pat Pukan. Thank you so much po, Tito and Tita.
Detoxifying power of pomegranate.
I'd like to thank also Ate Julie Eufemiano. Yeah, thank you so much, Ate.
Safeguard Detox Soap.
Ayan, kahit ko mga kablaamon ni Sister Aisa Abes. Ayan, also to Sister Lala Aragon Galano. Thank you so much, sis. Ayan, bigay tayo pasaway. Thank you so much, Ate Helena Valta. And of course, Ate Vilma Pajarillo. Thank you so much, Ate. Ate Natividad Magdalena Magsanide. And Ate Norma Pahinag. Thank you so much. And to Cousin Rachel. Thank you so much. And to Sir Frank Nebre. Ayan, thank you so much po. To Sir Linwell Landingin. Ayan, Alan Pahe. Thank you. And to Sir Larry Toquero. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And to Mrs. Toquero, thank you so much, ate. Ayan, this ayan, dati assistant ko kot nagbayag. Agkantamit damdama isun. Ate nga kanta kat isagsagat ko man. Ayan, sagsagat ko man kini Sir Willie Justo and of course to Sir Jesse Gonzalez of Let the Music Speaks. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, this song is for you. Check gayam amon niya kanta, oh. Oh my goodness. Ayan, para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Ayan, Sir Jesse and Sir Willie Justo, this song is for you. Ayan, a song from the Carpenters, also dedicated to Ate Jackie Gregorio. Ayan, pasensya po sa mga bills ko dyan na nakikita nyo. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the messes that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering, and since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Ayan, hello to Jason Iglesia, to Sir Andrew Corpus. Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one beyond your eyes. Inside my head, wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering, and since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Sir Jesse Gonzalez and Sir Willie Justo from the Let the Music Speaks. Ayan. Ayan, isagot ko man pa nato yung kanta. Isasagot ko ni Kuya... Ayan, isasagot ko nato ni Ate Jackie Gregorio, and of course to her loving boyfriend. Ayan, andito siya kanina, si Kuya Feji Galot. Ah? Ayan, isasagot ko kina Ate Jackie.
Fresco kahit may period, thanks to the thousands of airflow vents in new Whisper Breathable.
Hello to Richelle Joy. Hello. Okay. The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing that someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to and fool enough to think that's what I'll find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. The way that people come and go without a friend inside, hanging on a hope, but I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find. Yan. Thank you so much to Kriloy Balikaw Pagarang and to Jessie Mandangan. And of course, thank you for watching Kuya Froilan Dahilig. Ayan, another song from the Dixie Chicks. Ayan, isagsagot ko man natin may isang request para kanya yung aming. Ayan, sorry kadigiti nangangatupay lang kasi hanap nilang makagawat. Ayan, pasensya. I can't find a reason to let go, even though you found a new love, and she's what your dreams are made of. I can't find a reason to hang on. Want when a wrong can be forgiven, without you it ain't for living alone. Sometimes I wake up crying at night, and sometimes I scream out your name. What right does she have to take your heart away when for so long you were mine? I took out all the pictures of our wedding day. It was a time of love and laughter, happy ever after. But even those old pictures have begun to fade. Please tell me she's not real, and that you're really coming home to stay. Sometimes I wake up crying at night, and sometimes I scream out your name. What right does she have to take your heart away when for so long you were mine? I can give you two good reasons to show you love's not blind. He's two and he's four, and you know they adore you. So how can I tell them you've changed your mind? Sometimes I wake up crying at my worst. Sorry, Ate Julie ha, next time. Ayan. Palitan ko na lang po. Palitan ko na lang. Asan na? Mas magaling ko na lang po. Ayan, next time po, pra-practicing ko na ate. Ano ba to? Ayan, para sa iyo to.
Here, the new Combi Fun Size. It's cute. It's hip. It's a sure hit. The new Combi Fun Size. The fun is in the...
Ayan, para sa iyo, Ate Julie. I know you're gonna like it. Ayan, para sa inyong lahat. Ayan. When I find myself in a trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I long, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the pain is cracked and dry. And there's the old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the road I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives we go. Dati ka dyan kami. And I got goodbye for the summer. Darling, I promise you this. I send you all my love every day in a letter. Sealed with a kiss. It's gonna be a cold, lonely summer. But after the emptiness, I'll send you all my dreams every day in the letter. Sealed with a kiss. In the sunlight, I hear your voice everywhere. I want to tenderly hold you, but darling, you won't be there. I don't want to say goodbye for the summer, knowing the love that we'll miss. Oh, let us make a pledge to meet in September, sealed with a kiss. Sealed with a kiss. Sealed with a kiss. Ayan, pasensya na po. Nilagay ito eh.
Sa milk, di porkit mura, sulit.
Ayan, hello, Jack Maclon. Thank you so much po. And of course to Madam Joy Laios Manuel. Thank you so much, Madam, for
To help support all
tuning in. And of course to DJ Cookie. Thank you so much, DJ. Ayan, nagtatesting lang po kami ng mic.
Enough na ba ang immunity mo?
Dahil gagamitin po ng mga kapatid ko bukas. Kaya tinetesting namin ngayon.
Your antibodies and help strengthen your inner and outer immunity. Tulong para may power kontra sakit. Switch to Pharmaton Immunity.
Busy ang mami. Ayan, nasagsakit ko man dati kay ni Auntie Edna. And of course to Madam Julie. And to all the pasaway girls. Bakit ba ganyan? Ang ibig ko'y lagi kang pagmasdan. Mula't umaraw ay hindi pagsasawaan ang iyong katangian. Damdamin ko'y ibang-iba kapag kapiling ka, sinta. Ewan ko kung bakit baganian, damdamin ay di maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo magmula nang kita ay makilala. Yan, nasagsakot ko nga pa dati may isang special po dito Turin, Italy. Bakit ba ganyan? Kung minsan ay nautay sa kaba, kapag ika'y kausap nang lumalakas ang loob kong ikaw ay nakatawa. Ewan ko kung bakit ba ganyan, damdamin ay di maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo magmula nang kita ay makilala. Ewan ko kung bakit pa ganyan, damdamin ay di maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo course, to Brian Valente.
First,
Ayan, magla-last 3 songs na po kami. Okay, this song, I'd like to dedicate this song to Tito Carlos and Tita Pat Pukan of Lucky 7 Hawaii. Of course, to Ate Chita Tolentino, Kuya Larry Tolentino, and Kuya Larry Tabios, Ate Loretta Tabios, Uncle Ben Sacro, and Ate Florita Sacro, and of course, Franco Tolentino. Ayan, lahat po ng Lucky 7 Hawaii. Thank you so much. And of course, this song, I'd like to dedicate this song to Ate Ginalyn Rambaud, Ate Marisa Butay, Ate Oria Bartolome, ayan, Ate Margie Paet, Ate Donalyn Tavara Piano, Lala Aragon Galano, and Ate Julio Famienyo, and of course to Ate Francisca, Ate Jackie Gregorio, thank you so much ate, and of course to sino pa? And of course, Dagiti Pasaway Girls, thank you so much Ate Agnes Ganyo, Auntie Edna Barot Nielsen, Ate Marie Cris Sadumiano, ayan, and of course to Ate Jenaline Velasquez. And most especially to my sister Ate Teresita Bueno. Ayan, thank you so much ate. Awang manon, dato yun. Goodness. Ha? Ayan, this will be my last 3 songs. Ada iting agkantak mo agbid dagiti kwa Pasaway Girls. Iskam dito ko. Ayan. Sa lahat po ng mga friendships and magbe-best friend dyan, this song is for you. Ate Teresita Bueno, thank you so much ate. This song is for you. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes it took the hard road, and we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair, sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, you made my dreams come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and help keeps me together and believes without a doubt. But I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Ayan, nagmamadali. Yan, sagsagot ko mapay kan ate Madeline Tolentino, of course, to my best friend Jonah Gregorio. Thank you so much. When we were together, you made my dreams come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and help keeps me together shoutout ko man na tayo new viewer ko ni Madam Mary Ann Arimbuyutan Hasido from Hong Kong. Ayan, thank you so much, ate. Ayan, dati sumarunoy, sagsagot ko aming supporters the Sing Widow, and of course, DJ YouTube channel ko, musika ni Agnes Sadomiano. Ayan, paki-subscribe na rin po yung YouTube channel ng kapatid ko, Christina Gay Sadomiano. Ayan, please naman po, kasi kailangan nyo ng views ngayon. Ayan, Christina Gay Sadomiano. Ayan, dede YouTube channel na. And of course, YouTube channel ni John R. Gregorio and the Mega Movers. Ayan, paki-subscribe po. Thank you so much. Ay? Ayan, sa lahat po ng supporters ko, and of course, sa lahat po ng mga haters ko dyan, this song is for you. For Jen Orines. Ayan, this song is for you, my sis. Cham Gamayo, thank you so much. Anjo Corpus. And of course, sa lahat ng nasa Turin, Italy. Lagi ka sa isip ko, o DJ ng aking radyo. Siguro maraming re-request sa'yo ng mga kantang paborito ko. Magdalena Magsanide from Los Angeles, California. Thank you so much, ate, for watching. Ayan, Divine Paraiso, thank you for watching, sis. Jade Asena. Rose Ann, thank you so much for watching, anak. Pag ako'y nalulungkot at nakikinig sa aking radyo, salamat at ikaw ang napakinggan ko. Nawawala ang problema ko. Isipin mo na lang na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Isipin mo na maraming nakikinig sa'yo. Sa boses na hinahangaan ko, ikaw talaga ang idol ko. Isipin mo Princess Marcelino. And of course, to... May nabasa ko kanina. Arthur Aspiras, Narciso. And Ate Jocelyn Pagaragan Abrion. Thank you so much, Ate, for watching. And... Kanya pa'y kanta ako maudi. Hello, Ate Teresita. Okay lang po ako, ate. Medyo may pagkagaral-gal pa rin yung voice ko. Pero yung mga mabababa lang muna na mabababa lang na pitch muna. So, bukas po aawit na po ako. Ayan, may gig po kami sa North Stellar, Batak. And of course, second set namin dito sa Paway. Ayan, hello Ate Susan Arlejo. Thank you so much for watching, ate. And of course to Ate Shirley Agregado with Kadang. Umad-adumat viewers ko, nagpakpakada ako. Ayan. Para po sa inyong lahat. Para kay Ate Teresita Bueno. Ate, hindi sira yung mga wire niya, yung bago. Kaya yung mga wire na yung dating wire ko po yung ginagamit ko, ate. Just an ordinary song, a special boy like you, from a simple girl that's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song, a special boy like you, from a simple girl who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes are wear, they just seem so absurd. But deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song, a special boy like you, from a simple girl so Mandiaman, kin Ate Teresita, Orpilia Bueno, and of course to Ate Florence Agran, and Ate Mila Pahinag, Ate Marisa Butay, Ate Chita Tolentino, and thank you so much, Ate. And Ate Jackie Gregorio, thank you so much, Ate. And of course, the Lucky 7 Hawaii. Yan, happy watching po, Mads Foronda, Melds Foronda. And of course, to Jam Jam. Yan, masyado siyang mataas, hindi ko kakantahin. Hello to JR Evangelist na Gadagop yun. Hindi ko kakantahin yun kasi masyado siyang mataas. Ayan, mangipayak pa nga iti duwa. Duwa langanan kat inak maturugan. Agapay ngamin iti tumarok. Ay, nagtumarak pa eh. Barang makaturugak tag nanayo nun.
Watch videos ad-free, offline, and with background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Ayan, welcome po. Ayan, para po sa inyong lahat. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget a picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Just a little smile, that special smile, the twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. The only one. Think that I've loved you more, so much stronger than before. I know it seemed like a dream, so much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile, you take my breath away. Just hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Just a little smile, that special smile, the twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Ayan, isagot ko dati mo udi nga sunata ko. Para kanya yun. Thank you so much, Ate Tere. aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo. Kahit kailanman di magbabago. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Mataas pala siya. Di ko nais mawalay ka kahit sandali sa aking piling. Kahit buksan pa ang dibdib ko, matatagpuan mo. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang tunay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay ka nag-iisa. Ang umatupay, sumadya ng maalan sa Istanbul. Nang ipaayak ulit. Ayan, good night po sa ating lahat. And good morning sa lahat ng mga nasa Hawaii. Sa UK, hello ate. Anak ko na na. Ayan, practice lang ito ate Tereha. Napakinggan ko na siya. Practice ko lang. Kasama ka mo. And I go out to Alberta, where there's food there in the fall. I got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For with strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I got brother before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. All those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Or a strong breeze that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I found we're moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Ayan, sa susunod, Ate Tere, gagalingan ko na. Baka naman po may Papa Jollibee dyan. Ayan, that's my last song. Okay, another last song. Another last song para sa inyong lahat. Ayan, this is my goodbye song. Ano mo, Dave? Ayan, para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. From Albert Hammond. Ayan, goodbye everyone. When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep wearing your wedding ring when I'm gone? When I'm gone, will you take good care of the photographs? Maybe spend a moment in the past when I'm gone. Hello, Ate Regina. Kiss me in the night. Will your arms reach out? Ano that? In your heart, in your life. May nag-text. Nabi mo ko alam mo. Close to you, pretend that I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both chase our fantasies, love will bring you back to me. Ayan, may nag-text, ang sabi niya, matulog ko na, babe. When I'm gone, I'll be thinking about you constantly. Cause you're locked inside my memory. And from now on, may nag-text ulit siya. And I know that we said we needed time apart, but your love is cooling in my heart, cooling strong. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Ate Tere, alam ko mahilig kayo sa McDo. Times I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is new. Just for a moment be close to you. Pretend that I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both chase our fantasies, love will bring you back to me. Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is new. Ayan, ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, matutulog na po ako, be. Ayan, matutulog na ako. Okay, I will take my medicine, so don't worry. Kaslatro. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Tere. Ayan, naku, Nana. Jollibee kita ako, Nana. Okay, ate, alam ko naman na McDo kayo. Lahat ng pinupost nyo, McDo kaya. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Good night, everyone. I love you all. Love you, love you, love you. Ayan, God bless us all. Thank you.